Hello and welcome to another day, another code.
My name is Cody, and this is the world of Python.
He will be guiding you in coding on a daily basis. He is so excited to be your guide on this platform. As a viewer, you are going to get access to countless hours of HD video content, which contains step-by-step tutorials, coding exercises, and many more. You are going to cover every aspect of Python programming from web development to data science over numerous days of programming. After following daily coding tutorials, you will become a professional Python developer. Every day, on this channel, you are going to use what you've learned to build a new project. You will learn to build a bot, which texts you in the morning, whether it will rain or not, challenge your friends with a friendly match of classic games like Snake and Pong that you built. Together we will create beautiful visualizations to make sense of complex data. Would you like to automate birthday wishes to your favorite contacts? Cody will teach you how to automatically send emails. You will learn projects that can clone real-world startups. There are so many more projects waiting to be coded by you, so if you are somebody who wants to become a Python developer, then this is the perfect channel for you.
If you are somebody who's never coded before and have absolutely no prior programming experience, I will be with you every step of the way as I take you from programming fundamentals through to more intermediate and advanced programming concepts. You're going to learn Python from scratch. Now, if you are an advanced developer, then take a look at the later days clips and start at the level that suits you best. From beginner to professional, every level is covered in the channel.
If you go to school or working a full-time job or have to look after kids or you're busy with other stuff of life, this channel provides you with teaching code which only takes less than 2 hours to complete, so you can fit the learning around your life.